Okay, so this is how I made my little MLA content map revision table. So what I did is I made this table. As you can see, there's different headings: condition, brief description, speciality, investigation, symptoms, treatment, and review. And in terms of the conditions, it was from the big list that you get on the MLA website. This was quite time consuming. As you can see, there's almost 400 different conditions that I had to input. As I revise each of the different conditions, that's when I'm putting in the information onto these tables. As you can see from the video or the different examples that I've done. Some of them are shorter than others, some of them are quite long. It all depends on how much information I think is needed. Also, as I'm sure you can tell, I do quite like using colour. This is just a really good way to set things out so that it's in a very clear and simple manner. That if I want to revise the sort of basics of a condition, I can just look over my table really quickly. For some of these, it's not even one specific condition. Instead, it would be a topic that I split up into the different sections. For example, this one from my palliative placement, where I split up pain, nausea, vomiting, respiratory secretions, agitations, just so that I could look over the prescribing information really quickly. Each condition has its own more in-depth page where I include things like pictures, a lot more information. This is where the main bulk of the revision actually is, whereas the main table is more of a sort of quick thing I can look at. Okay, going back to the main table, as you can see, one of the subheadings is specialty, where I put all the subheadings, for example, gynae, neurology, ophthalmology, oncology, all of that. Because you can actually filter them out so that, let's say you only want to revise one specific specialty, you can click on that specialty and on the table it will only bring up the fact files for that specialty. As you can see here, I've clicked neurology, so it's only bringing up the information that I've put in under neurology, as you can see. And here I am just showing you an example of a few of the other conditions that I have in the revision timetable. Some of them could be quite long, but it enables me to put in quite a lot of information. Some of them can be quite short. For example, this one on dermatomes, myotomes, nerve roots. Really good for a quick review. Also, you don't have to pick just one specialty to filter it down to. You can choose multiple. For example, here I'm picking oncology and palliative because at my uni we learnt them together, so it made sense to revise them together. And this is a really good feature because you can really sort of tailor your revision and look over the things you need to in that moment. And that pretty much concludes my video. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Bye!